Right guys, this car's not been washed as yet, like I've said before. We're just going to take a look round, see what the issues are, what's going on here in the paintwork. You can see it's a right mess. All that scratches and everything there. Around there. It's important to get these bird droppings off. Anything you see like that on the car should be removed completely immediately, because that can cause issues and sink into the lacquer. What we've got to deal with here, all these scratches, swirl marks and holograms going on. Take a look at this area here, or rear quarter of the bumper on this Mercedes. Absolutely horrendous condition. I'm going to start doing some machine polishing here now. I'll show you, I'll get rid of these defects quite quickly, and then we'll be taking another look at it shortly. Well, this is another fantastic Mercedes that we just detailed here at Top Car Detailing. So what we'll do now, we'll just go and get the other camera and I'll pan around the car, show you some bits and pieces what I've done. Also, this car came in for a major paint correction detail, as you explained in the beginning. So you can see the transformation now. So let's go and take a close-up look and I'll be back shortly. What we did on this car, ceramic coated all the wheels front and back, same with the calipers as well. This car needed a two-stage machine polish overall to get rid of those swirl marks and scratches out the paintwork. And as you would have seen before earlier on with this particular panel there at the back, when we zoomed in you could see all them scratches and everything, but we certainly got rid of those. Also polished all the tailpipes up as well on the vehicle. As I said, the gloss level now on this car is truly outstanding. So we detail many makes and models of cars here. So if you're interested in that type of service for your vehicle, don't hesitate, give us a call. What we've also done too, fully ceramic coated the whole vehicle and also the plastic wheel arches there as well. This car shall certainly turn heads now once it's on the road and it's fully protected. This also comes with a 5-year guarantee as well for the coating. We also have a special coating as well for all the exterior glass on the car, and we have a top-up coating that you can actually purchase as well. that can go on top of this to maintain it going forward. Very easy to use as well, and we can give you the correct instructions once you've had your car detailed here at Top Car Detailing. I say it's just like a complete mirror now, this. You can see the depth of reflections there in the paint. Well guys, thanks once again for watching another video on our YouTube channel. Anyway, I'm going to have to go now, and I'll be back soon with more fantastic cars. Until next time, catch you later.